Are you looking for the best SAC trucks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best SAC trucks that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Handy Move, a 2-in-1 SAC truck and platform trolley. The Handy World brand have made it their mission to help you move your stuff around without losing your temper. More famous for their inflatable car roof racks, the Handy Move is still one of the best 2-in-1 SAC trucks on the market right now. Packed with clever features, it's a SAC trolley and a platform trolley. This British-engineered all-terrain SAC trolley features big wheels that work just as well on soft surfaces as they do on hard floors. In SAC truck mode, you get a rigid but lightweight way to move around heavy or tall items up to 70 kilograms. And in platform trolley mode, a large flat surface for piling up all sorts of items up to 135 kilograms. The tow section that holds your gear in SAC truck mode can be flipped up and down. If you need more platform space, flip it down. But if you want a barrier to stop things sliding off the back, flip it up. The versatility of this SAC trolley is what makes it useful for just about anyone. Up next in the 4th place is the STANLEY folding hand truck. With a decent range of storage solutions and clever ways to move your kit around, STANLEY make one of the best folding SAC trucks that I've seen so far. Even though it's small and light enough to be carried around with one hand, it can carry up to 227 kilograms worth of load. Made from hard plastic and sporting 6 wheels with dual bearings inside, this handy trolley has an extending bed for when you need to move extra large items around. Each wheel swivels through 360 and the handle extends up to nearly 88 centimeters from the ground. I like that STANLEY have included a pair of long elasticated bungee cords to secure the load onto the bed. It's a nice extra to have included in the price. If you want a super portable and folding SAC trolley, you can't go wrong with this clever piece of equipment. The 3rd product on our list is the double Rhombus lightweight folding dolly. If you need an incredibly lightweight and portable SAC truck, the double Rhombus folding dolly is a seriously useful piece of kit. Small enough and light enough to tuck under your arm, it's the trolley you can take with you. Made from sturdy tubular aluminum, this 2-wheel SAC truck has a telescopic handle and small solid thermoplastic rubber wheels. These little wheels are non-slip and work just as well on wet surfaces as well as dry ones. Folding down neatly to a small and flat package, you can stow this truck away in a cupboard or another small space. Once folded out, it's capable of carrying up to 70 kilograms without any problems. Second on our list is the Trolleys heavy-duty SAC trolley. When I saw the Trolleys heavy-duty SAC trolley, I was totally impressed by its rugged design. It really feels like the best SAC truck you would find in a warehouse. It's large, heavy, and ready for hard work. There's no lightweight aluminum here, just reliable powder-coated steel tubing for the frame and a solid steel axle. This makes this heavy-duty SAC barrow perfect for shifting the heaviest items around the home, garden, or warehouse. Weighing a formidable 12.6 kilograms, this trolley can cope with a massive maximum load weight of 300 kilograms. The flip-down toe on this hand truck is as solid as the rest of the welded frame, measuring up at a whopping 41.5 x 51 centimeters when extended. It makes an ideal surface for shifting white goods like fridges and washing machines. Finally, the top product on our list is the Stanley SXWTDHT 523 steel hand truck. Tool legends Stanley have come up with a big and capable SAC trolley that features a clever way to pull your loads upstairs without bumping the load around. Decked out in Stanley's recognizable bright yellow paint, the SXWTDHT 523 steel hand truck is a very capable bit of handling kit. The biggest difference you'll notice between this one and the other trucks on my list is the 3-wheel setup. If you've ever tried to pull a SAC trolley up or downstairs, you'll know it's a seriously bumpy ride. What this clever setup does is ensure that a wheel is always in contact with the steps to stop it from thumping around. The innovations don't stop there though. Stanley have increased the vertical height of the trolley back, meaning you can lug around taller items safely. The plastic handguards will keep your fingers safe, and there are wheel covers in place to stop things from binding on the wheels.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.